Global warming is the temperature of Earth's surface, oceans and atmosphere going up over 10 to thousands of years. Average temperatures today are about 1 degree Celsius, 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, higher than before people started burning a lot of coal around 1750 after the Industrial Revolution. Most climate scientists say that by the year 2100 temperatures will be 2 degrees Celsius, 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit, to 4 degrees Celsius, 7.2 degrees Fahrenheit, higher than they were before. 1750. Sea level is rising for two reasons. One reason is because of ice on the land, like Greenland, melting into the sea. The other reason is because of water getting bigger when it gets warmer. Global warming is mostly because of people burning things, like gasoline to make cars go and natural gas to keep houses warm. But the heat from the burning itself only makes the world a tiny bit warmer. It is the carbon dioxide from the burning which is the biggest part of the problem. It increases by burning fuel, cutting trees, emitting gases from factory, turning on air conditioner. As the Earth's surface temperature becomes hotter, the sea level becomes higher. This is partly because water over 4 degrees Celsius, 7.2 degrees Fahrenheit, expands when it gets warmer. The range of desert will expand. Since the 1800s, people have recorded the daily temperature. Now the temperature is getting in a high level. People are cutting trees too much. Trees that live a long time can give us an idea of how temperature and rain changed while it was alive. The Kyoto Protocol and Paris Agreement try to reduce pollution from the burning of fossil fuels. Dust and dirt in the air may come from natural sources such as volcanoes, erosion and meteoric dust. Global warming means that Antarctica and Greenland ice sheets are melting and the oceans are expanding. Recent climate change would still cause a 6 meters, 20 feet, sea level rise even if greenhouse gas emissions were reduced in 2015 per a scientific paper in Science.The OK. Glacier has completely melted in Norway. In the funeral procession of OK, the PM of Norway indicated that it will effect more worse to the people. Low-lying areas such as Bangladesh, Florida, the Netherlands and other areas face massive flooding. Pollutions are another harmful sides of life. For air pollution, the greenhouse gases are increasing rapidly. For water pollution, the marine lives are now in danger. The biodiversity has been decreased. The endangered species are tigers, kiwis, wild ass, Asian lion, etc. They are killed by human. So we should be aware of this and plant trees. Warming of the North Indian Ocean during the next 5 years, particularly the Arabian Sea, could make India even more vulnerable to deadly cyclones. We can prevent the global warming by limiting the amount of energy in your home by using energy-efficient light bulbs and appliances, and knowing how to use the appliances properly. Use air conditioner and heater only when necessary, and make sure your house is properly insulated. We can use air energy and atomic energy as substitution of fuel energy like coal. Reduce driving and use other means of transportation like walking, biking or carpooling. Recycle and use reusable bags for purchases and use refillable water bottles. By following these steps, we can save our planet. Thank